What do you mean by this statement? So logarithm is a way of counting how many times you need to multiply a number by itself to get the another number. Here the base is 2. So this logarithm is a statement asking us how many times do you need to multiply the base 2 by itself so that you get 8. And because we know that 2 to the power 3 is 8, यानी अगर हम 2 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमें 8 मिलेगा. So the answer of this one is 3. So tell me what will be the value of this statement. Alright, this is asking how many times do you need to multiply the base 2 by itself so that you get 16. Tell the answer in comments. Thank you.